Hello. Today we are looking at the Samsung official USB-C headset jack adapter. This, I'm not sure if it's official. If you could leave in the comment section whether you think this is legit, please let me know because I'm not sure. I bought this from I guess a side street. It's called Mobile Tech, but I'm not sure if it's legit because there was no safety tag. Usually there's like a plastic sticker here. It was in this box and it looked like it had been already opened. So here's a close-up of the box. There's no description of what color it is. And it usually there's more descriptions on the back, which is kind of weird. But if you can tell from the box if it's real or not, please let me know. So I open the box and there's no instructions in it, just this plastic thing with the cable. There's no branding on the cable itself. I noticed some quality. I'll just use this as the background. It's not completely straight here. There's a bit that looks, unprofessional. This edge bit here. There's a bit that just flakes out. I don't know if that's normal. There's no writing. There's no writing on the cable at all, except for this small part. I'll try get a better picture, but it has like a code and it says Vietnam. And a telltale sign is that this says it was made in China, designed in Samsung, and it says clearly Vietnam back here. Vietnam KDM 406U.S, and the top says analog. So if you can tell me if what cable this is, please let me know. The box has this kind of matte finish. It's kind of like, it feels like there's a grip to it. It's not smooth cardboard. And then I tested it out on my phone. Okay, so I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I plug it straight in. I turn up the volume. Actually, let me just switch this off. So I'm plugging my 3.5mm. So this is just to test the headphones. So I'll put this up by the mic. So I'll play this. This has loud music. And the sound comes from the speaker. See? I don't know what the deal with it is. And I've tried moving it a little bit, like kind of shimmying it around. Still the same thing. I'll try another video. Same thing again. So I've tried to plug it in and out again. Still no effect. So the next test that I want to do is just to record, maybe if I can check the mic. So this is a set of headphones and there's the mic. So I'm just gonna have without the phone. So I'm gonna unplug this, plug this in like so, then plug it in to the phone. Okay, I'm going to try the same thing. So just testing the headphones just to make sure that it wasn't the headset that was the problem. Alright, next thing I'll do is I will try the camera. I'll just take some video. Where's the mic setting? Video stabilization. I presume it's just automatic whether it picks up the mic. So I'll start recording. And what I usually do is I just scratch the mic, tap it a little bit, so then I know that it's not the mic that's doing the job. So let's be quiet. Stop recording. Let's play that back. Yeah. Just scratch the mic, tap it a little bit, so that I know that it's not the mic that's doing the job. So let's be quiet. And what I usually do is I just scratch the mic, tap it a little bit, so then I know that it's not the mic that's doing the job. So let's be quiet. Okay, so couldn't hear anything with the mic plugged in. So if you could tell me what kind of cable this is, please let me know. Thanks.